Mike's Man Cave, and today we will be doing Asian style chicken drumsticks. We're using a special Asian seasoning that we have purchased at the local Asian grocery store. Here's the Vortex. We'll be using the Weber barbecue, and that's the original Vortex, that's the small one, and I've already lit that. So let's get the chicken legs ready, and then we'll get them on the Vortex, get them into the barbecue. Chicken drumsticks, they're ready. They've been marinating for about 15 minutes. That's all you need. And there's the barbecue. So let's get them in there. All the chicken drumsticks are now in the Weber. Now I like placing them in there with the big end facing outwards away from the heat. But it's up to you guys how you prefer to do it. I think that method seems to work better for me. And the convection inside the kettle where the heat rotates around will air fry these chicken drumsticks. That's the whole idea. They'll be char grilled and air fried all at the same time. So these should be beautiful Asian style chicken drumsticks. Let's get the lid on and get grilling. Now I'm not using any smoking wood at all, and there's a combination of lump charcoal and barbecue briquettes inside the Vortex because I don't want to affect the flavour of the Asian style rub that's on the chicken drumsticks. I want to enjoy the char grilled Asian flavour rather than having them smoked with some sort of smoking wood. I've now put the lid on the kettle. It's already dark here, it's only 5:30. And these will take an hour. Some people like rotating the lid 45 degrees every 15 minutes because they believe it makes a difference. It really doesn't make any difference. That's the whole point of having a kettle style barbecue, because the heat will circulate inside the kettle, cooking everything pretty much evenly. So let's leave this 45 minutes to an hour and we should be all done. It is that simple. The vent position is all vents wide open, top and bottom, because we're going for maximum heat. And as you can see, the temperature has already come up. It's been an hour now. We have not touched the kettle. We have not adjusted any of the vents. And we have not rotated the lid. The temperature is still up there. It is nearly 500 degrees Fahrenheit or 250 degrees Celsius. It's maintained the temperature for the whole time. Let's get the lid off and see what we've got. There you go. Have a look at that. Perfectly air fried chicken drumsticks. Not sure what those birds in the background are doing, but it's very annoying. Now, as you can see, there's absolutely no need to rotate the lid. It's just a theory that someone's come up with and people started doing it for absolutely no reason whatsoever. Just to reconfirm, this has been 1 hour with the Vortex, all vents wide open and no lid rotating or rotating the drumsticks around or touching anything. Close the lid, walk away, come back an hour later, job done. Let's get these on the plate and start eating. For more barbecue related videos, please don't forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.